How silly of me, Pomni. I upset you. How can I make this up to you?
Oh, I don't know, actually. But can I think about it?
Absolutely. Take all the time you need, my dear Pomni.
Thanks. Why are you doing that?
Doing what, my lackadaisical labradoodle?
Moving away from me. It's like you think I'm contagious or something.
The last time I accidentally let my avatar drop into arm's reach of you, you attacked it. Nonsense, Pomni! I just know how you humans value your personal space.
You don't do it with Zubul.
Zubul is...
Or Gangle, or Kinga, or Ragatha? Is it just me?
I can't imagine why. You're delightful.
Look, Kane, whatever issue you have with me, we can work on it.
I have no issue with you, I assure you. But I'd be more than happy to spend more time with you.